Hi, good morning. Today is 10th of April 2017 एंड आज ये वाला वीडियो जो मैं है मेरा 65th वीडियो है और ये मैं आज मार्केट आवर्स खुलने से पहले ही बना रही हूँ। तो उसका एक तो रीज़न है, मैं आपको भी बताऊँगी। एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट रीज़न दैट आई हैव इज़ कि आप लोगों को मैं कुछ दिखाना चाहती हूँ जो अगर आप समझ जाएंगे तो आई थिंक यू विल हैव नो problems. So before I go on to that, I want to tell you that on 7th, which was Friday, somebody emailed it to me and he asked me this was the situation. This is about 2 o'clock. Huh? This is just about 2 o'clock. This candle has just started becoming formed. Huh? This was just being formed. So he asked me, can I buy Maruti? Since he has emailed me, normally I don't respond to all of them, but I was almost it was here, the Nifty was somewhere here, Nifty was somewhere here. So ये जगह थी निफ्टी की। ये निफ्टी ने दोनों ग्रीन कैंडल्स बनाई थी and he asked me कि can I buy Maruti? Maruti was here making all these green candles. Nifty was here almost from the bottom going up, and he asked me at precisely 153, can I buy Maruti? I said to him, see, somewhere here we must have been somewhere, this candle must have just started forming, and even this candle must have been just started forming at that time. So I told him, don't do anything right now. Anything that you want to do in Maruti, do it on Monday. So this was, he sent me a text at 153 and I responded him to at 155, and 159 he sent me another text saying that if Maruti is going up right now, why should I wait till Monday? So, somehow I missed that text. I was busy with some work, and imagine a few minutes later what happened. This is how Nifty fell. And see how this is how Maruti fell. So starting from this point, which is 6317, it went down to 6252. Within a few minutes, there was a massive downfall. Like, I think the person who has texted me can vouch for it in the comment box that this is what has happened. And so why am I making this video is one very, very important thing that you need to learn, and you need to have 100% in your mind that you have to only work in the direction of Nifty. आप केवल निफ्टी की डायरेक्शन में काम करेंगे। अगर निफ्टी ऊपर जा रही है तो आप बाय का ट्रेड करेंगे, और निफ्टी अगर नीचे जा रही है तो आप सेल का ट्रेड करेंगे। ठीक है? So let's see what's happening in the rest of the stocks. So see, this is Grasim. Then you have Tata Metalli. See, anywhere, like this is last 15 minutes buy that has come up. Then you can see any stock that you will see that it has fallen in those few 1 hour. Every stock has fallen. You can check whichever stock you wish to. They all have the same kind of a trend. You can check anything. Like I have checked everything. I have checked every single trade that I could, and everywhere there was a fall. There was a massive fall everywhere, except a few which are very, very strongly in uptrend. Let's see what's happening in ONGC. I mean, you can see these big 4 candles forming, right? Let's see what's happening in Reliance. Even Reliance, you can see there was a resistance, right? So डिश टीवी देखते हैं। डिश टीवी में क्या था? डिश टीवी तो हैज जस्ट बीन फॉलिंग। सो जो फॉल कर रहे हैं, जो ऑलरेडी नेगेटिव जोन में है, वो तो बहुत स्ट्रांगली नीचे जाएंगे, बट जो ऊपर जा रहे हैं वो भी नीचे जाएंगे, राइट? सो सी हियर, माय ट्रेड फॉर नेगेटिव वाज ऑलवेज डॉक्टर रेड्डी, सो आई अगेन डिड अ शॉर्ट ओवर हियर because here you can see how clearly it's going down, right? So even Kotak Mahindra Bank, you can see every stock that has been going down will continue going down, right? So that is why I thought it's a good opportunity for me to explain you what is the correlation of Nifty and the stocks. So even if they are not part of the Nifty 50, they will still go down, because Nifty overall gives you a picture of market, whether market is planning to go up or go down. So, you know, first and foremost that you have to do, each of you have to do is to master Nifty, right? Means understands the resistances, the supports. And आज जो मुझे लगता है निफ्टी थोड़ा सा मतलब पॉजिटिव बायस के साथ खुलेगी, मे बी 5-10 पॉइंट्स अप, and then it may remain like sideways, and then depending upon how it is, maybe the markets may go a little bit up. But I mean, as of now, since I don't know what is the status of opening of the market, so I can't comment, but I have a feeling that you never know what may be the direction, but overall the bias is positive. So why am I making this video so early is one trade that I want to give you, which you must have in your portfolio, because I have a feeling this stock will open up gap up today. This is Marico. So guys, this I have a feeling will open gap up, and please have it in your portfolio. Please, I'm saying please see how beautiful support it's taking, you know, like which was happening in January, and January से ये 260 से ऊपर जाके आज 300 पे है, and my target to this will definitely remain at least 300. अगर 7 ये क्रॉस कर जाएगा, 307 या 305 को अगर ये क्रॉस कर जाएगा और 7 को क्रॉस कर जाएगा तो 350 इसका टारगेट है. आप इसको अपने पोर्टफोलियो में रखिए, और आई वुड सजेस्ट कीप इट फॉर ईयर, 1 year in your portfolio, and it will give you a good run. I'm not going to do its technical analysis, fundamental analysis. Please do it yourself. But this is one stock why I made this video so early today, because I want each of you should have it in your portfolio. थोड़ा सा अगर ये आज गैप अप भी ओपन होता है ना तो कोई बात नहीं है, ठीक है. हम मतलब 300 की जगह 301 पे खरीद लेंगे या 302 पे खरीद लेंगे, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, राइट. सो बट आई एम प्रीटी मच श्योर दैट दिस स्टॉक विल गो अप, 100% विल गो अप, राइट. सो that is one reason. And today also again you can buy this Bike Hospitality that I gave you the other day. You can definitely buy Bike Hospitality because उस दिन इसमें थोड़ी सी profit booking आ गई थी, but I'm sure it is still at a very good buy level, and I think we can all buy it. 185 या 184 पे जहाँ पे भी ये है, थोड़ा सा निफ्टी ऊपर चलने लगती है तो इसको खरीदेंगे. But Marico I'm saying without any boundaries. Marico you can just straight away buy, right? And keep it in your stock. फ्यूचर अगर आपको करना है तो फ्यूचर के लिए थोड़ा सा निफ्टी की डायरेक्शन देखनी होगी, बट अगर आपको पोजिशनल ट्रेड लेना है यू कैन डेफिनेटली बाय. इवन बाइक यू कैन बाय एग्जैक्टली at the same levels. So guys, the reason why I'm making this video was one that I wanted to tell you, please understand Nifty support, resistance, and trade in the direction of Nifty. Okay, and today I am giving you a trade which is Marico, which is no matter what the direction of Nifty, I am giving you this trade because I have a very strong reasons that it's gonna go up, right? So guys, all the best, and this was a short video because I really wanted to give you this trade. So one thing that I want to tell you, many of you have said that you don't get to know, आप लोगों को पता ही नहीं लगता कि मैं कब वीडियो अपलोड करती हूँ. तो अगर आपको जानना है कि मैं कब वीडियो अपलोड करती हूँ तो आप अपने YouTube चैनल पे एक बेल का सिंबल बना है ना, उसको प्रेस कर दीजिए, तो जब भी मेरा जैसे ही वीडियो अपलोड होगा you will get to know about it, right? So all the best guys, have a great day trading today. All the best. If I find something good, interesting, then I may make another video, but for now, all the best. Let me sign off with saying that please trade correctly and understand Nifty correctly. All the best.